like to address something. I'd like to address this. Yes, I've cut off all my hair. Here's a clip of when I was at the hairdresser and they chopped off literally 85% of my hair. That was actually a pretty terrifying moment, to be honest. I know it kind of seems like that, like 2020, new year, new decade, new me. This is something I've been thinking about for a really long time. I'll explain why I cut off my hair, but I really wanted to get back to something. I feel like last year I didn't enjoy making as much content towards the end of the year, and I thought it'd be fun to start this year off with a vlog. This is kind of where this whole thing started, was vlogging and creating content that I was excited about, and I thought a vlog would be an amazing way to kick off the year. Plus, Lizzie and I have some exciting news that we want to share with you. Hey friend.
Hi.
I'm ready to go now.
Oh, good. We've only been standing here for like a million years.
A million years. It's been like 10 minutes.
It's been 3 takes.
Let's go on to the big exciting surprise.
Surpresa.
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 Sounds like a pizza topping. All right, Lizzie and I have a few errands to run right now, and also we have this piece of furniture that the camera is on that we have to move out of our house because it is taking up space, because we got a new media unit that is gorgeous and we should have bought it a long time ago. It feels so weird to vlog again. I feel like it's like going to the gym. Actually, vlogging is like going to the gym. I shouldn't have started the year off by trying to lift a giant piece of wood, but day 5, I'm trying to get a workout.
I lift your wood all the time. I don't complain about it.
Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, we're at the spot we're gonna be dropping off this media unit, but there's something more important than just saying, hey, we're dropping off a media unit. Lizzie, would you like to share our exciting news with everyone?
I'm Just kidding. We got an office!
Woo!
Yay!
Let's go inside. Lucas, you haven't seen
I have not.
You have not seen the office.
I'm excited.
Lucas is just excited to not be working out of our home anymore. Don't look, don't look, don't look.
Oh, I'm so excited.
What?
That's all we have right now. Yeah, and then...
Yes.
This is our new office. We've gone from 100 square feet to 500 square feet, which we're really excited to have 5 times the amount of space. We'll give you guys a proper office tour in another video, but today we're gonna be building some of the furniture, bringing things here, and then we're gonna go be picking up some more furniture. We have an office. We're so stoked. What a good way to kick off the year. What is your favorite part of the office so far?
The swing chair. Anytime I don't have to be at my desk, I will be sitting there.
Lizzie looks like a little chick inside of an egg in it.
Oh.
We gotta go pick up the chair, and we gotta go grab a paintbrush so we can finish that little line up there.
I thought we were just gonna use your head, because your hair is kind of like a paintbrush.
Real quick, probably our favorite thing about this space is the floor. Actually, it used to be an old bowling alley, so this is old bowling alley floors, which is really cool. I think it's 40 years old. Ooh, we should get a bowling ball. Also, I don't know why I'm still carrying around hair ties. So Lizzie, here you go.
No!
I find them in all my pockets in my pants, and I don't need them anymore because I'm a paintbrush. All right, let's go get the chair that we need for this little podcast corner. All right, so we're going to go pick up the chair right now, but it's not gonna be ready for another half an hour. So we're going to Costco to actually stock our fridge in our office with some actual juices and bubbly water. But Lizzie, why did we get an office?
For starters, we thought it'd be nice to just live in our home rather than having a living room that we're constantly like putting up lighting and cameras and microphones and then having to take it all down and put it away. With the office, we can hopefully leave most of that set up all the time. We each get our own desks. Chris will no longer bump my desk with his chair, which is very annoying. Please back up. I need my own personal space. We'll have a table where some of our employees can come and work when they're in the office. We'll have a podcast corner where we can leave all of our podcast stuff set up all the time so we don't have to set that up and take it down. Yeah, that's most of the reasons.
I would say one of the most important reasons. I am a workaholic, and one of the issues is that having the office at home is a constant reminder that I have to be working. And one of the things that I realized this past year is I don't know myself outside of work. And I know that sounds pretty heavy, but I feel like because I've always been working and always been doing this and finally gave myself a chance to have a break, I think I realized I was like, I need better separation from work. So getting the office is actually a really important step in learning to have a life outside of work. So we're really excited about having the office for all the reasons that Lizzie listed, as well as the fact that we actually have real life separation. Last thoughts before we get some buble?
I want some Michael Bublé.
We're talking about the carbonated drink.
I'm not. What is it? A meatball?
It's a veggie burger sample.
Oh.
When at Costco, one must always stop at the sample booth. Are you gonna track that, Lizzie, for your health?
I'm living on the edge. I'm not gonna put it in my MyFitnessPal. Sneaky.
And not talk with your mouth full of food. Ooh, can we get some sausages? Ooh, Eggos. Ooh, a couch. Ooh, fruit cups. Ooh, jumbo coconut shrimp. Ooh, 70-inch television. Turns out they don't have bubbly here, buble here, but they do have San Pellegrino.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
All right, let's pick up this chair. Fun fact I haven't announced, we bought a Jeep this year, which was cool. All right, we finally found the chair. Okay, so we are back at the office now after picking up the chairs and a few other things. So now we're actually gonna build this table, fill up the fridge, open up the microwave and all this other stuff. Okay, the table is done and it looks great. Okay, vote on the crack. Crack 1 or crack 2? Crack 1 or crack 2?
I think crack 2.
Crack 2. Who votes crack 2? Ooh, Lizzie's crack 2 as well. Comment below, crack 1 or crack 2. Okay, why did I cut my hair? So there's a few reasons. Number one, moving into the new decade, one of the things I really wanted to start doing with this YouTube channel and my Instagram page is giving back more. I think anybody who is in a position like this, whether you're a public figure, if you have any bit of a voice, you should be using it to do some good. So I had this idea, I was like, I should cut my hair and donate my hair. And then I was like, nah, that's a lot. This is my brand, this is a big part of me. And then I started thinking about it a little bit more and I was like, actually, I kind of like this idea. It will go to somebody who needs it more than I do. It's a way of giving back that's really, really personal. And it's like the best way of giving back. That's not just money, but this is like a part of me that I'm actually giving to somebody. There's a lot of kids out in the world who are going through cancer treatments and don't have their hair. One of the biggest things is that they're scared to even just like go outside and live a normal life, and having a wig can make all the difference. That hit me so hard to the point where I was like, no, I think I need to donate my hair. And one of the other things was I felt like my hair was so wrapped up in my identity that it'd be nice to just strip that and start fresh, because you're more than your hair, you're more than what you are known for. And I didn't want to just be Fabio, the guy that's known for his hair. That's just a piece of me, and I feel like there's more to offer on the table. So that's why I donated my hair. All right, time to paint the remaining top part of this. This might be your favorite thing to do here, isn't it?
Yep.
Ooh.
Progress is being made.
Progress is being made. The podcast setup is slowly growing. But it's also late and we're super tired. 8-minute drive back home. Hey guys. I just thought I'd take a quick moment to chit chat with you a little bit. Full transparency, I was super nervous to make this video. It had been about about 3 to 4 weeks since I had actually made something. And I was feeling kind of anxious in the past week leading up to this. I was like, oh, it's the new year. Everyone's going to start putting out content again. I started getting really worried about creating again. And I got kind of scared to create. Like, I'd hold this camera in my hand. And I was like, what am I going to say? What's the topic going to be about? And all these things. I just started overthinking it. I kept just letting it build up in my head to the point where I was so scared to even pick up the camera and create something. And once I actually started filming, the first little part was like maybe like a little anxious, and then I started filming a little bit more and started filming again. And as the story started developing a little bit and the more I was getting comfortable talking to the camera again, it started to feel really good. If you're at a point in your life right now where you're a creative or you're watching this video and you're so worried about like, oh, what's the video gonna be? What are people gonna think? Just drop that. Literally just start making something. You don't even have to put it out. Just start making anything, and I promise you that exercise, just by doing it, will make you happier because you started. And I was feeling that too. I was so worried. I was just like, the camera was in my hand, I pressed record, and I started, and I legitimately feel better. And what I want to let you know is that creators of all sizes feel this way. You're not alone. If you're worried about creating, if you're feeling anxious about creating, if whatever the feeling might be, we all go through it. I went through it in the last few weeks, and I just wanted to share with you that you are not alone in this. So if you've made it to this point in the video, guys, thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun making a vlog today, so I'm going to take that energy and keep moving that into the new year's. If you guys enjoyed this video, please press like. It means the world. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for future videos, because they're going to be coming, and we'll see you soon. Love you all. Peace out, everyone. Bye. Film YouTube video. That felt really good.